In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background in Photoshop using the latest beginner-friendly method in 2026. Whether you want to replace a dull background with a solid color, a studio backdrop, or a completely different location, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get clean, professional results fast. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a quick pro tip to fix unnatural edges. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once it's open, go to File in the top menu and click Open. Browse your computer and select the photo you want to edit. This should be the image where you want to remove or replace the background. Click Open and your image will load into Photoshop. Now we're going to remove the old background. The fastest and easiest method in the 2026 version of Photoshop is using the Automatic Subject Selection tool. Go to the top menu and click Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in your image using AI. After a few seconds, you'll see a selection outline around your subject. With the subject selected, go to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the Window menu. In the Properties panel, click Remove Background. Photoshop will instantly create a layer mask and hide the background for you. You'll now see your subject cut out with a transparent background behind it. If the edges look slightly rough, especially around hair or detailed areas, don't worry. Click on Select and Mask in the top bar. Inside this workspace, use the Refine Edge Brush tool and gently brush over areas like hair to improve the selection. You can adjust smoothness and feather slightly if needed. Once you're happy with the result, click OK. Now your subject should look much cleaner and more natural. Next, let's add a new background. I'll show you two options. Option 1 is adding a solid color background. Go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. Click OK, then pick any color you like from the color picker. Once the color layer appears, drag it below your subject layer in the Layers panel. Instantly, your subject will appear in front of that new color background. Option 2 is using an image as your background. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the new background image you want to use and click Place. The image will appear with transform controls active. Resize it by pressing Ctrl and T or Command and T on Mac and adjust it so it fits your canvas. Press Enter to confirm. Then drag this background layer below your subject layer in the Layers panel. Now your subject will appear in the new environment. To make everything look realistic, we need to match the lighting and colors. This step makes a huge difference. Select your subject layer and go to Image, then Adjustments and choose Color Balance. Adjust the tones so they better match the new background. You can also use adjustment layers like Brightness and Contrast or Color Lookup for more control. If the background looks too sharp compared to your subject, go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Add a slight blur to create depth and make the composition feel more natural. Here's a quick pro tip. If the edges still look unnatural, click on the layer mask thumbnail of your subject. Select a soft round brush, set the color to black, lower the opacity slightly, and gently paint along the edges to clean them up. Painting with black hides areas and painting with white reveals them, so you can fine-tune your cutout perfectly. And that's it. You now know how to change the background in Photoshop quickly and professionally. With just a few tools like Select Subject, Layer Masks, and Adjustment Layers, you can completely transform any image. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.